Before question number 8, first part, this following table gives the marks stored by a set of students in examination और हमें calculate करना है mean of the distribution by using shortcut method. So shortcut method में हम assumed mean method use कर सकते हैं. So this is the assumed mean method. Okay, and for that, let me get this data in the tabular form. So the class intervals are given that are 0 to 10, 50 to 60. So these are the class intervals. So our first column will be the class interval. And the class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60 is the last one. Okay, so these are the class intervals given. Okay, our next column will be the frequency, that is Fi for the students, which are given as 3, 8, 14, 9, 4. So 3, 8, 14, 9, 4, and 2. Okay, this is our second column, Fi. And now let's find out the class marks. So which is denoted by Xi. And the class marks होते हैं upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So which is 5. 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50 divided by 2 is 25. This is 35, 45, and 55. Okay, now our next column will be the deviation from the assumed mean, and assumed mean will be the middle value. So these are the two middle values, and I'm going to take assumed mean as 25. So A is equal to 25. Now we have to subtract these class marks. So 5 minus 25. So 5 minus 25 is negative 20. 15 minus 25 is negative 10. This is 0, which is 10, 20, and 30. So this is di. Now our next column will be fi into di. We have to use the shortcut method, so I'm going to use the zooming method. So this is fi into di, which is negative 60, negative 80, 0, 90, and 80 and 60. Okay, sum of the negative terms is minus 140. This is 230. And let's add them. So 230 minus 140. That is the summation of this column, which is sigma fi into di. So 230 minus 40 is 0. 30 minus 4 is 9. So this is 90. And now let's also do the summation of this column. So we denote summation by the sigma sign. Summation of fi. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 and 14 is 25. 9, 34. 4 is 38. And 2 is 40. Okay, so this is fi. Now let's find out the mean. Now mean for the zoom mean method is given by A plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. So assume mean is 25. This is the zoom mean 25, and sigma fi into di is 90, has to be divided by 40. So this is 2.42 are 825, which is 27.25. So 27.25 is the mean for this. Okay, moving on to the next part. What number must be added to each of the numbers to get the four numbers in proportion? So let the number to be added be x. Okay, once we add the x to these numbers, 4 becomes 4x, 4 plus x, and these should be in proportion. That means 4 plus x ratio 6 plus x is as they are should be in proportion with 8 plus x and 11 plus x. This is a good proportion. Now, sum of the extremes is equal to sum of the means. Let's use that. So 4 plus x into 11 plus x is equal to 6 plus x into 8 plus x, which gives me, if I multiply them, this is x square plus 15x plus 44 is equal to, this should be x square plus 14x plus 48. X square gets cancelled. 15 minus 14x is equal to 48 minus 44. Then x is equal to 4. So the required number is 4. So 4 should be added to these numbers to get them in proportion. So we can write 4 4 should be added to these numbers to get them in proportion. Okay, so the third part says that using the ruler and the compass, construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, for this, first of all, let's draw the rough sketch for this. And this is part 3. So rough sketch for this will be this triangle ABC. And first of all, it's AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So draw AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter, then angle BAC. This is angle BAC, which is 120 degree, and then it's BC. So this is the rough sketch of the triangle, and AC is 5 centimeter. So there will be steps of, I will write the steps of the construction. So first of all, we will draw a segment AB. It's equal to 6 centimeter. Then by taking A as center, or with A as center, we have to draw, or so you know how to draw. So with the compass, you have to take A as center and draw an arc, and without changing it and taking this point of intersection on this line segment AB and the same radius, cut an arc here and cut an arc here. So this will be this would be angle 120 degree. So with B as center, draw and construct an angle of construct an angle of 120 degree. So let's say this is the ray AX. So you have considered the center, we have drawn an angle of 120 degree, and this angle is BAX is equal to 120 degree. Now with AS center and radius 5 centimeter, we have to cut an arc on AX and name it as C. So that is AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So I am going to write here that with A as center, और आपने आर्क लेना है 5 centimeter, you have to cut an arc on ray AX such that AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, next you have to join B to C. So draw, this is how you construct a triangle ABC. Now we have to construct a circle passing through ABC and measure and write down the radius of the circle. And to do that, you can take any point on the triangle. And so to construct the circumference, that is, we have to construct the circumference of the triangle. That is a circle passing through A, B, and C. For that, we can draw the perpendicular bisectors. So draw the perpendicular bisectors of BC, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC, and the point where they intersect. So this, and also draw the perpendicular bisector. You can also draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So the point where they intersect will be the center of the circle that passes through A, B, and C. Now with O as center and C as radius, you can construct a triangle, draw a circle that will pass through A, B, and C. So we have to measure and write the radius. So this circle is the circumference, and we have to measure the length of the radius. The radius of the circle will come out to be 5.5 centimeter. So this is how your circle will look like. This is AB, which is 6 centimeter. This is 120-degree, construct an angle. Then on this, cut an arc of 5 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of AC and BC. They will intersect here. Now you place the compass here and take C, extend it to or open it up to C. So this will be the radius, and draw a circle. This will exactly pass through A, B, and C. So this is how we construct circumference of the circle, and radius will come out to be 5.5 centimeter. If you measure the radius will be, measure any distance OA. So this will be the radius of the circle.